What's up, guys? Tuck and Tuck here.
What's good?
Plan for the day.
Headed to Bavarian Autosport in Portsmouth, New Hampshire to pick up a motor regulator for my right passenger window.
Window regulator. Really, the problem
either way, it's bunk.
Here is the problem. We got tape all up here. So
Which it's been taped up since January. It's May.
Not good. So
we're gonna fix that, and then yeah, that's sort of the plan. We're gonna go pick up 2 of our friends, and we're gonna head up there now.
Freak you out, dude. Should be good. All right, rolling up to Joe's house. You're gonna have to give him the old wake-up call.
Of course. My passenger shock tower is in tough shape.
This is not a factory hole here in the carpet. We got the whole car apart now, and we're still not there.
This is bad. This is bad.
Yeah, that's where.
And then using a T25 Torx, we're gonna remove 2 Torx screws, and then doesn't show us where they are.
My man.
Also, Tuck might want to work on that.
What would we do without Joe? That's the real question.
You probably have intact trim pieces.
Probably.
Noted.
Yeah, noted. Okay, so if we look here, we got 3 fingers, 3 fingers-ish. And if we come over here, not 3 fingers, not even 1 finger. Well, we got your whole car apart here, except for the part that we need apart, really, honestly. It's everything else. We also have a spare tire now, because way back in the day, might be what caused that. This Tuck hit a pothole, and we had to wait 2 hours for AAA because he didn't have a spare.
Oh, that is 100% what it was.
Haha, this kid knows, he was there.
Oh!
100% what it was. Are you filming this on camera right now?
Tuck, tell us what happened.
Potholes happen.
Oh, yeah.
Give it to me, give it.
It's good. Just it had to have been. And that's the wheel, dude.
The thing is, though, you hit 2 potholes, remember?
Also, think about it.
One on the way there and one on the way back.
Isn't that the wheel that has the vibration?
Yep.
Vibration probably isn't helping.
Oh!
Hey, got it. Okay.
Right. No.
Somebody torque me!
Joe's laptop speakers are broken, so he has to use this thing to like play audio. So if you're curious, if you observant viewers have noted, there's a speaker there. It's because Joe's speakers are drowning.
Get me my Torx screwdriver. I think it's in the trunk of my car.
I'm gonna bet BMW didn't intend you to use a drill to take apart the interior when they built it.
Probably not.
Probably didn't intend for the shock to enter into the cabin as well.
I know.
Probably right.
It created a nice little hole right here. Almost looks factory.
You know, things that I would call nice. This is not one of them. There we go.
Hey, got it.
There it is.
I'm bleeding now, Tucker. Look at this.
Look at Tucker. That's what your car did.
He just sort of grabbed it and just yeeted it up. Look, we can't just yeet things, all right?
You've yeeted every interior piece in my car.
I don't like it when you're mad at it.
Oh, there we go. There we go. We got it.
No,
Sick.
it's
And then let's all just point out,
The observant viewer will note.
we are not done yet.
This is
Yeah, we can cut a hole in that. All right, that's fine. I'll allow that. Because we've gotten fed up and annoyed, Joe has taken his.
I just want to move these wires because I don't.
Joe's taken a knife to my sound deadening, which is pretty much irrelevant anyway, considering we've removed most of the exhaust.
Yes, your car's very loud. This isn't going to make a difference. Oh, things.
Yo.
Wait, do that again? Yeah, so that's not supposed to happen.
There better things have happened.
If I'm to be quite honest with you, I have 0 solutions.
We're on the way back to other Tuck's house.
The observant viewer will note.
There is a very loud noise coming from the trunk because we did not fix the problem, not even a little bit, and now the interior is totally in the back and the problem still exists.
Joe has managed to disassemble and through disassembly break every one of my interior pieces. Not only that, we have just discovered the problem, which is that my rear struts are blown and we need new ones. So we're gonna go get some.
Originally, our plan was to go to Bav Auto to get a window regulator. Now it's to get more than that.
Yeah.
More than
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
We are now actually on the way to Bav Auto to get things for other Tuck's car.
We're getting shocks, we're getting shock mounts, and maybe a window regulator. depending on how much money I have.
Window regulator. That was the plan originally, and things changed.
You gotta make the car work before you make the car work, you know?
I couldn't agree more.
I totally.
So we're gonna pick those up. We're gonna figure out what we want to do,
This
and
road
then
sucks
tomorrow
butts.
evening we're gonna go install them with Josh. Arrived at Bav Auto. What do we find?
Freaking nice E92 M3. I prefer the 4-door personally, but this is
So do I.
Whose man gets Kumo X.
Ooh,
He's got force.
and it's manual.
Fucking
and
look
some
at this
wheels.
meat right here. Oh man.
Oh man, oh man. Ooh, 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 ooh. E46 wagon, navy blue, sport interior, and manual, and it's rear wheel drive. And the wheels are clean, and they're mine. Wow, this is very similar to my spec. Aside from
Like his interior is like this car nice. So
this is really nice.
Sick.
Dang.
It's a Porsche support vehicle.
This is like mine, but way less bunk. Oh no, never mind.
Oh.
Ripperino.
Yikes.
Damn. That's
Not a Florida car. Still though. Like,
Looks clean though. I dig it.
Why is the interior so good?
The interior is gorgeous. My seats are in tough shape compared to my man's. Let's go. Currently using a tile cutting thing
Tile.
to cut my carpet piece because we
BMW sucks.
stripped things in there. Also, the observant viewer may note
Joe shaved.
it's another. It's
a
just.
different day. I got a haircut.
I also got a haircut.
haircut and I shaved.
I'm also wearing a different shirt.
Alright, you can't just think. Alright. think.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Alright, well, we're here now. It's fine. No, just. Well, no, it's okay.
Okay, so that went well.
Well, yeah. See, it's this piece. This popped out of the
The Johnny.
The
Johnny.
mount.
The Jimmy popped out of the.
Yeah, and
Johnny.
Jackson yeeted himself.
Ah.
Actually, this
You're
one-
taking these out here?
Yeah? Look.
Look, I have all the faith in the world, but not really.
Meticulously cleans bolts after breaking all of interior.
Well, interior doesn't hold your car together.
That's a good point. Pound me, brother.
Dude, he just like roasted you, but also gave you some facts.
That's
right
honestly
there.
such a fact. That was a good meme, Joe. Also, I was under the impression buying this car that these were H&R
Cup kit. Yeah.
Cup Kit springs and shocks. These are not H&R Cup Kit springs.
They
shocks.
are, in fact, OEM BMW.
Probably some sort of lowering springs. Probably not H&R.
Probably not.
Who knows?
Probably not lowering
To
springs.
be honest, I don't think there's one.
Honestly, like $70. These are nice, dude. Coney, made in Holland. You see this?
Freak yeah, dude.
Freaking made in Holland.
That's my ancestors making that shit right
brother.
there.
Spiker. This is basically from a Spiker. You gotta think about it that way.
Sure, yeah, I agree.
Think about that one, Tark.
You're basically now driving a spiker. Alright, it started pouring rain outside now.
So, we need to get the dust shield off of the non-existent bump stop, but this rubber piece is impeding us from taking everything off. So, we're gonna angle grind the freaking shock off so we can take the non-existent bump stop, this washer, and the dust shield off. Come on, get me in.
One side is officially complete now. All the way in, time to move on to the next side. We've got this lamp in here now for
For added light, because
for added light and hominess.
Is it still pouring outside when we open the door?
It's absolutely still pouring outside. Tuck, you're ruining all this vlog footage.
shut up!
Usually you just lift up then, don't you?
What's up, guys? Joe here. Tuck and Tuck just went to get pizza, and I have now lowered the car onto the ground. It's sitting good. There's a little bit more wheel gap than there was before. I don't know if you can see that. We have working mounts now. It's all good and dandy. Everything's just swell. I'm bleeding. I'm covered in mud and grease, but I feel good.
What's up, guys? Got some pizza. We got Joe over here taking the airbag out of the door. We can get some of this foam out here, access the window regulator, because we need to replace that so that this bunkness can go away.
Status update, window regulator's not good. We're taking the window motor off to access the regulator. Cue window motor coming off. Ah, there we are. Beautiful.
All right, That might be part of the
There's
issue
your problem.
right there. Hopefully it didn't fuck the motor too bad. This whole deal right here, like, shouldn't
see how it works?
shouldn't be like that. Almost got the window regulator out. Although I imagine that even unscrewing these bolts is really not gonna make it easy to get out. It sure doesn't look easy to get out.
I'm just worried about the glass just like dropping.
Yeah, you should be.
We shouldn't have taken the tape off first. Why did we do that?
I'm like a poorly lit or dimly lit garage with a lamp as your only light source.
Yeah, but there's a light on.
We got that boy right there. Got the regulator out. Got the new regulator over there. Old regulator right here.
Just looking
Looking really not good at all.
far from good. Not good.
And until we get the new one in, Tuck's over here just kind of
Feed it right in, Joe.
totally not sketch.
Not an expert.
Not sketch at all. Don't worry about it.
We like are doing things. This is like pretty impressive for a group of 3 kids that haven't really, well, a group of 2 kids that haven't really done anything, and one that's sort of done some things sometimes.
Some things sometimes.
Yeah, pretty well.
I would say you were pretty accurate on that one.
Pretty accurate.
I got stuck with this freaking job here.
I'm surprised this video is 24 minutes.
Yeah, it definitely hasn't taken us 24 minutes to do this.
If the window doesn't work,
I can't guarantee it will. That motor was a little fractured. I just kicked it. I'm sorry.
stop, please.
Stop. Slow. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Go up. Stop. Down. Up.
Are you sure you're
Up.
looking at the right
No,
thing?
I see the bracket. I just don't see where the hole goes. All right, stop. Down. Just go all the way down. Up.
What?
Up. A little bit more. I have no idea what I'm looking for. Go up.
Whoa. Oh, that made a good noise.
Is that in?
I don't think so.
But now at least I can cruise the windows down tonight.
Well, if we finish this.
Yeah, you might not have a choice.
Yeah, now your window was stuck closed, now it's gonna be stuck open
That would be so
forever.
inconvenient if I got caught in the rain somewhere.
Or your car was just like parked outside like normal.
Joe is in laser focus mode right now. Fully in the zone. Talk on window glass duty.
This is really just a terrible job in every way.
That's not it, right? I'm gonna put.
Ready? This is big. This is like my first
This
functional
is-
window pull maybe since
Since ever.
December.
Did it work when you got
In
it?
December at one point. Then
Oh.
it went.
Battery on.
Ready? Ignition.
Key.
Oh! Let's go! That's such a hype. That's so hype. And it works automatic up, unlike this one.
Wow.
That's a whole
Okay.
that's a whole different issue.
Hell yeah, dude. That's sweet.
This is what happens when you cut your interior
It
apart.
looks good. You can't even tell. Stop. What are you doing? It looks so good.
I don't know where that piece that goes over that goes.
Or
Yeah.
So we got our handy shop light right here.
Breaking almost all of my interior pieces. It looks like not bad. Pretty decent. I mean, not bad.
We got the shocks in. They work functionally. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
That's fine.
Just put, don't worry
We're
about
gonna
that.
have another excursion of going to a junkyard and taking an E46 interior apart and then yeeting all its pieces in here.
Because
Because this is like a little bunk, like
It's like a-
especially over here. But you know, that's fine.
I mean, we definitely didn't cut that trim out. Don't worry about it.
And we stripped the fuck out of that screw. But yeah.
All right, guys, that's the end of our first video. Put a regulator in his window. It works.
Fix the shocks. They work.
His car is way less bunk now than it was before.
Yeah.
Thank God.
So stoked on it.
No. Thank Joe.
And thanks to Joe for pretty much
not
doing
wrong.
everything.
He pretty much
broke
did
a lot of
everything,
things, but he also fixed a lot of things too. So there you go.
There you go. All right, that's it.
See you next time.